Right now, papatuloy namin yung birthday celebration na Ate Carol dito sa Yas Water World. We will take some lunch. Then later maybe we'll try this surfing thingy. Then afterwards, try other rides. Such as cannonball. I forgot the name. Anyway, we'll try that. So later guys, naman sa kayo, ako si Best Best Vlog, Yas Water World. Bye! Ate ganda, anniversary. Kamusta naman, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So, it's good. We'll see. Paano experience dito? Isa to sa tinatawag ng main attraction dito as their rides. So, sana ma-enjoy namin. Team, baka na doon sila, tingin ko.
Oh, lunch na kasi.
Abang. Hi guys.
Alam ko na.
Chillax mode sa tabi ng swimming pool dito sa Yas Water World. Kasama si Ate Carol. Ate Carol at Naganda. Kasama namin. So later guys. Kaya mode muna. Go na. How can I sit?
Are you alone?
Yeah.
You should use this one.
Can I use that? Okay, please.
Let's
wait,
and then hold on to the handles until
Okay. Okay. Shit. Mama. Oh, wow. Wow. Shot. Cool. Wow. Cool, yeah. How was it, Chai? Kamay tayo ka na, ba't mo ano? Kamas sa mata mo?
ay, hindi naman.
Oh. Ano naganap sa'yo, klase ka? Ano sila?
Teka lang, sakit ang mata ko.
Selin, bawal na daw! Lumayas ka na dyan. Saan sila? Hindi na sila yan. Ah, sila pala yan. Okay, si Ate Carol na lang. Kaway po! Bye! Kamusta?
Tinanong ko yung kamay ko na sabit dun sa ano.
Wala! Buti hindi ka natanggal sa ano mo ito dito.
Nasa na yung dalawa?
Ano?
Ako na!
Una na ako siya.
Alam mo na!
Tanggal mo? Pawa ka sabi. Kwento ka, kamusta naman yung experience? Kamusta yung araw na tawa sa'yo? Ilan taong nga na pala?
29.
29, yet look 19, right? No, it's
16.
Wow, yun.
Being a virgin.
Always a virgin.
Libor. What? Who is it?
No, anyway, yeah.
It's awesome.
Awesome.
Awesome. Ito na lang. People.
For what?
And we had a lot of fun. Yeah. So what? We had really a lot of fun, and we were able to meet awesome people. We screamed a lot. That's it. How about you?
What yung nila kailangan mo nagsusuka?
It's combined water and ice cream. You should try it, guys.
Oh, shine like a diamond, go!
Ay, mag-diamond. Dito lang siya. Mag-diamond ako.
Makita na po!
Dilan. Picture lang.
Ah, picture ba? Picture po ito. At ayaw niya tayin.
Video mo to? Ano ba yan?
Tama. Shining star like a diamond.
Ay, binibili na tayo.
Kawaii. Hi guys. Good day. As in, good day. I mean, okay yung buong, naging buong araw namin. Iba't ibang rides. Ikwento ko sa inyo next time. I have time kung ano yung mga yon. Or ipapakita ko na mismo sa inyo by this video kung ano yung mga video na yon. From almost opening till closing, nandito kami. And now, pauwi na kami. At sa pagtatapos ng vlog na to, gusto kong muling pasalamatan na batiin ng happy birthday sa ating Carol. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Kiss natin si Carol sabay-sabay. 1,
1, 2, 3.
Wait lang. Takwanan.
So guys, yun na muna ngayon. Ito ang best vlog here in Yas Island Water World. Yas
Ba?
Yas Water World. Yas Island.
Water World.
Yeah, tama ko. Yas Water World. Here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Till then guys, salamat. Bye.